And guys, it is completed finally. This little car took us a little bit of work. And let's take a look here, guys. Cloth, and that's this is what we're talking about. Is stain, is ugly, not really stinky in this case. Uncomfortable cloth seats. It needs leather, that's why it's here. Just so you know, guys, I mean, this is what we're talking about. It gets so easily stained. Beautiful car, horrible interior in cloth. Same here, you can see, see, horrible stain. And they try to clean it up, it's just not working. It needs leather, guys. So don't wait, do something about this. You really need leather in these vehicles with horrible cloth. And guys, you want to do a transformation in your vehicle, you want leather for sure. Go to LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com so you can order the factory match, the custom design. We have over 60 different colors and endless combinations. Contrast stitch, piping, special editions, contrast patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex. We have double hex, honeycomb, and many others. We also carry exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name it. We have them all at LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com. Guys, today we are featuring the 2021 Dodge Charger RT. And guys, this fit the 2015 to 2023, the Police, the GT, the Scat Pack, Hellcat, RT, and the SXT. You just please make an inquiry for your particular setup, because this vehicle comes in different configurations for the front seats. This particular one, it was ordered with custom embroidery, as you can see, for the headrest. There is many more options, so please inquire about all that. And guys, we have this in over 60 different colors, endless combinations. It'll fit virtually, I mean, they're custom made, so but we have it for mostly any car, so yes, please inquire about all that. And we have combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns, diamonds, honeycomb, double hex, and many others. And if you want exotics, guys, you also can get those, ostrich, alligator, so skin, all these kind of things. So let me show you what is that it comes with it. So you get your two front seats, which is gonna be according to the particular model that you have. You're gonna have your armrest. And guys, this is not your cheap seat cover that you just toss in. This is upholstery work, so just be aware of that. So this has to be trimmed into the frame. All the old stuff has to come out of the car. And guys, our product also is built in a way that complies with all the safety regulations like airbags. They have the reinforcements inside, so you are safe always in case of the deployment of the airbags. All these covers comply with those specifications, so you are covered. You're also gonna get your armrest for the door panels and the door panel inserts. So this is fantastic, so you can convert the whole car. And again, this is built to factory specifications. It means it has all the openings for the accessories, the back carpet, and everything that you need for the size bolsters. Everything is there included, guys. And headrest, we have the headrest for the center. Those are built in. We have the armrest. And guys, this is not just your cheap product. This is backed by 3 years of guarantee or 36,000 miles. This is a fantastic product. low cost, please inquire about prices. This is obviously a custom color, custom design, and we have with degrees. So that means we want to process this kit in a way that it has the special material to filter the air so you can get cooling and heating. This is our top of the line product, which let me see if I can showcase that. Guys, this is our degree system, cooling and heating. You have 3 levels of heating, 3 levels of cooling, so you don't have to be worried about being cold in the winter or too hot on the summer. We have you covered with our special top of the line degree system that you can order to pair with your kit. This is our top of the line product, but if you are in a budget, guys, at least you can get your heaters, which is the basic heater with a 2-stage switch for high and low, so you have 2 temperatures. It will get you warm in the winter. These are the retail prices, guys, which you know how we roll right here, so you can make an inquiry and we can help you to get discounts. Depends on the promotions that are running on the time, but that's what we have, guys. That's what we offer. And remember, this is available for virtually any vehicle. It's made to order, so and it's made to a specification, so it's not like this is waiting for you to make an order and ship right away. No, we have to manufacture all this, but we have you covered. Just make an inquiry, put it in the comments, and visit LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com so you can see what else is available, or just give me a call or put a comment in the chat box. Like and subscribe so you can see more of these, guys. All right, and I'll see you in the next video, because we create tutorials, we create all kind of things so you can guys can see the transformations. Look, guys, how beautiful that interior that you saw early looks now. Beautiful installation, beautiful double stitch, salsa red, and for this one we did door panels. You can see there, over there, beautiful door panels. It has custom embroidery, beautiful custom embroidery. And guys, I enjoy so much working in this car. Maybe it's because the paint blends with the interior and the tonality of the black, so it's a fantastic enhancements for this interior. Nothing compared to what we receive in the morning. This is a very beautiful interior, guys. What do you think? Do we get short? Do we nail it? Please put it in the comments, I want to know. And guys, visit LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology, because over there you can order your kit. We have it virtually for any car, over 60 different colors, combinations, diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, different patterns, guys. Exotics, you want exotics? Ostrich, suede skin. Make an inquiry. Let us know what you want to do in your vehicle, guys, and get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable, horrible cloth seats, guys. Switch to leather. You deserve, you want it. You deserve to have an interior like this in your car without breaking the bank. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations on cars that it comes with a horrible cloth interior and come out beautified by LeatherTeck.com and upholsterytechnology.com. Guys, I'm so happy that we completed this vehicle. Please, I want to know, what do you think about it? I know it's like a red devil. This is what it resembles. And of course, I believe it's one of those editions which now with our leather kit, it really look fantastic. See you guys in the next project. Like and subscribe. Thank you.